OnekingTech RF 5.8G wireless microphone applied a cutting edge. Technology of full duplex communication and 360° omnidirectional pickup technology. Built-in high-sensitivity 2 microphones. The main unit omnidirectional microphone with a 5-meter pickup range. The wireless microphone supports audio pickup range of 5 meters, both RF 5.8G wireless and USB cable-wired connection options. Automatic echo cancellation, intelligent noise suppression, built-in high-capacity lithium batteries, 10 hours of continuous using, up to 120 days of extended standby time. Next, let's take a look at its button functions. Microphone mute, speaker mute, power on-off, volume down, volume up, installation and use. First, connect the RF 5.8G wireless receiver to your computer. Then press and hold the power button to power on. Simultaneously turn on both expansion microphones. A steady blue light indicates a successful connection. It works well to place the 2 expansion microphones at both ends, whether it's classroom teaching, remote meetings, or online medical meetings, etc. Omnidirectional microphone is the essential audio equipment. Fully compatible conference microphone.